Hey everyone, today we are going to talk about something that making SEO smarter, Qwen-Powered SEO Alignment. Don't worry, if it sounds technical, I will explain it in plain English. If you want your content to rank better and actually match your people are searching for, this is something you will want to understand. Whenever someone types a query into Google or any other search engine, they are looking for answers. SEO is all about making your content provides those answers clearly. But here is the problem. Sometimes your content does not fully match what people actually asking. This is where Qwen comes in. It helps match your content to the real content behind user queries. It does not just focus on keywords, it understands the meaning of behind the search. And it's the key to modern SEO. So earlier, SEO is mostly about picking the right keywords and preparing them in your content. But times have changed. Today, users want answers, solutions, and detailed guidance, not just phrases. Qwen helps by understanding user intent. It shows you the exact questions people are asking and helps you create content that addresses them fully. This way, your content becomes more useful, aligned with what readers want. Creating great content is not just about writing an article. You need to cover every topic fully to satisfy both readers and search engines. Qwen makes this easy. It analyzes your content and identify gaps, topics you have not heard or covered, questions you have not answered. By filling those gaps, your content becomes more complete, authoritative, and engaging. In simple terms, it ensures you are giving users everything they need in one place. This is exactly what search engines is love. When your content aligns with user queries and covers topics completely, it leads to better results. Search engines can understand your content clearly. Users get answers to their questions. Engagement increases because your content is helpful and easy to read. Rankings improve naturally without using spammy tricks. Qwen helps you to achieve all of this by making your content smarter, more relevant, and fully aligned with what users need. Now, let's talk about a practical example. Let's say you have a blog about home gardening. Without Qwen, you might just write general tips like watering, sunlight requirements, but with Qwen, you can discover specific queries your audience search for, such as best indoor plants for low light, how to prevent pests naturally, organic fertilizers for small gardens. By including these topics, your blog becomes comprehensive and much more likely to rank higher because it directly answers the questions users are actually searching for. Qwen is your SEO assistant, not a replacement. Using Qwen does not replace your creativity. It's more like smart assistant that guides your content strategically. You still write your content, but now you do way that's fully aligned with user needs and search intent. The results speak for themselves. Better query matching, complete content coverage, higher engagement, and stronger SEO performance. Now, think beyond keywords. So, if you want your content to truly connect with your audience and performance better in search engines, Qwen-Powered SEO Alignment is a game changer. Focus on three things. Number 1, understand what users really want. Number 2, cover your topics completely. And last but not the least, align your content with actual queries, not just keywords. So, do this and your SEO will become smarter, more effective, and more reader-friendly. If you found this helpful, hit the subscribe button, turn on notifications for more simple SEO tips. And if you want to take your content to the next level, check out Qwen and the link in the description below.